Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast chapter. Hope you're well. Here we are rolling into the 4th of July week and still have a pretty good calendar of events coming up. Let me get right to it. July 4th, Sarasota Cars and Coffee is going to be canceled for this particular weekend, but the Southwood Cars and Coffee up in Tallahassee is on the Gainesville Cars and Coffee at the Tioga Town Center. That's going to be going on. So check those out. Then on the 5th, we have the Florida SunCoast and the ZSCCA chapter at Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte breakfast at Skillets. That's at 9 a.m. on the 5th. On the 11th, we have Cars and Coffee at Lakeland. That's at Fields BMW. And then also the Jacksonville Cars and Coffee at the Avenues Mall up in Jacksonville. So those are going on the 11th. Let me jump to the 12th. We have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee at Ford's Garage at 6:30 on the 12th. And then on the 15th, we have the St. Pete Clearwater dinner. That's going to be at BJ's Brew House on July the 15th. You know, 250 means a lot. If you just toss out the number 250, what does that mean? Well, if you're a fitness guru, 250 means 250 grams, about a half a pound in measurement and weight. Dietary consumption or something like that. If you think about medicine, 250 milligrams is a common oral dose of medication. In volume, 250 milliliters equals about one metric cup, maybe equal to a glass of water or a water bottle. In history, 250 means the multi-year commemoration of our signing of our independence of Declaration of Independence. So a lot going on this calendar year. You know, as we look at July 4th and July 4th weekend, both for travel, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Be careful if you're out traveling. A lot of volume on the highways, both at day and during night. And if you're around fireworks, take extra precaution. Those things can be quite dangerous. And ask me someday when you see me to tell you about the firework issue that almost went bad with my family a couple of years ago, and I'll tell you that story. But just a lot of fun to be had, a lot of history to be pondered about, and a lot of pride for our particular nation. But use caution, have a lot of fun, spend it with family and friends, and until next event, happy motoring. We'll see you soon. Thanks, y'all. Bye now.